How to draw a graduation cap. We will start out by drawing a diagonal line. This will be one of the sides of the main portion of the cap. Then from that diagonal line, we will draw another diagonal line going downwards towards the right. Next, we will draw another diagonal line. This one will be going upwards towards the right as well. And lastly, to finish the main portion of the cap, we will draw one more diagonal line connecting the two sides of the diamond-like shape. In this line, we will leave a small space. This will be where we will draw the tassel later on. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are looking awesome. Now we're going to draw the part of the cap that goes on your head. Now we will draw two curved lines coming down from the cap. One will be on the right side and one will be on the left side. Then from the curved line on the right side at the bottom, we're going to draw another curved line going downwards towards the middle of the cap. Then we will draw one last curved line going from the left side to the middle, making a point with the line that we just drew. Looks awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw the tassel. We will start by drawing a small circle in the middle of the top portion of the cap. Lastly, we will draw the tassel. We will first draw a curved line that goes from the middle circle that we drew through the space in the side of the cap that we left earlier. From that wavy line, we will draw a U-like shape for the bottom part of the tassel and then a curved line on the top for the top part of the tassel. Now for the final steps, we're going to connect the side of the cap so there's no longer a space and draw a few lines through the tassel for detail. After that, we will also add a few lines on the bottom portion of the cap for detail. If you would like to, you can add these as well. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. If you'd like us to see your drawings, then make sure to share on Instagram by using #LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, then make sure to give it a big like below. And if you want to see our drawing colored in, stick around until the very end. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.